Hello guys, and in this video I'll show you how to customize navigation data screens on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open settings by pressing and holding this menu button in the middle of the watch. And now just scroll to open settings, and right here we just need to find a tab which is named navigation. Click it, or you can also confirm your choice by clicking this start button. So we just need to select data screens. Let me click this button, and now we can see several options here which you can manage according to your preferences. For example, this map one. So here you can turn the map display on or off, and if you need a map of the route, just turn it on like I did. Now this data field. This is the data field that shows route information on the map. Turn it on if you want to see the data right on the map. Let's go back in the menu and discuss this up ahead function. So, turn this function on to see information about upcoming waypoints. This helps you know in advance what is ahead. Now this guide one. This screen shows the direction of course. Turn it on if you want to see where you're going. Now about elevation plot. So, this displays a graph of the elevation on the route. Turn it on if you want to keep track of elevation changes. And now just select the screen you want to customize. You can add, remove, or change what is displayed on each of the screen. Just right here. And that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.